Number 1. 1974 Datsun 710 Coupe, $700, Chatsworth, California. This 1974 Datsun 710 Coupe is an affordable entry into vintage Japanese classics, priced at $4,700 in Chatsworth, California. It runs well, has 85,493 miles, and comes with a clean title. Equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it offers a simple driving experience. Recent updates include a new radiator, water pump, carburetor, and tires. It does not require a smog check and is already registered in California. While not high performance, the Datsun 710 is known for reliability and lightweight design, making it a solid daily driver or an easy starter project. Number 2. 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, $7,500, Port Orchard, Washington. Offered at $7,500 in Port Orchard, Washington, this 1969 Volkswagen Beetle is a nicely preserved and tastefully modified example of one of the most iconic cars ever built. Finished in Peru green with mostly original paint, this Beetle has character and authenticity. It features a lowered suspension setup with a narrowed adjustable front beam, drop spindles, and upgraded disc brakes, giving it a classic custom stance. The interior remains largely original, with some updates such as newer door panels, while the headliner and seats show typical age-related wear. Mechanically, the engine and transmission remain stock, with a light overhaul completed over 5 years ago. A new clutch kit was installed at that time. The chassis appears solid, with only minor rust in a common area. Overall, this Beetle blends originality with period-correct modifications, making it ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate both style and heritage. 1971 Mercury Monterey, $795, Dallas, Texas. This 1971 Mercury Monterey Coupe, priced at $7,995 in Dallas, Texas, is a classic example of full-size American luxury from the early 1970s. With 71,000 miles and a clean title, it presents itself as a well-preserved cruiser. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a traditional gasoline engine, this Monterey emphasizes comfort and smooth driving over performance. These cars are known for their spacious interiors, soft ride quality, and understated styling. Described as being in great condition, this vehicle would appeal to buyers seeking a classic American car that is ready to drive and enjoy without the need for major restoration work. Number 4. 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix, $10,000, Olympia, Washington. Listed at $10,000 in Olympia, Washington, this 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix offers a compelling opportunity to own a stylish American personal luxury coupe. Finished in red with a white interior, the car has strong visual appeal. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and drives, though it is described as being in fair condition. Minor rust is present in the rear wheel wells and trunk corner, which is typical for a car of this era. Notably, this example includes original 8-lug aluminum wheels, factory documentation, and period accessories, adding to its collector value. It is best suited as a light restoration project or a weekend cruiser with character. Number 5. 1964 Ford Thunderbird, $9,500, Sebastopol, California. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $9,500 in Sebastopol, California, comes with a unique history of single-family ownership since new. That provenance adds significant appeal for collectors. The car has undergone substantial restoration work, though it still requires some electrical attention, particularly with the power windows. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, the Thunderbird represents classic American personal luxury. Known for its distinctive styling and comfortable ride, this model is a strong candidate for someone looking to complete a partially restored classic with documented history. Number 6. 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $19,900, Dallas, Texas. Offered at $19,900 in Dallas, Texas, this 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a more refined and complete example of the early 1960s Thunderbird lineage. With only 53,000 miles and a clean title, it suggests careful ownership. These cars are admired for their sleek design, featuring the iconic bullet bird styling. The automatic transmission and V8 engine provide smooth and effortless cruising. This example appears to be positioned as a higher quality driver or showable car, appealing to collectors seeking a well-maintained and visually striking classic. Number 7. 1962 Chevrolet Impala, $20,000, San Diego, California. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala, listed at $20,000 in San Diego, California, stands out as a fully restored classic with 80,000 miles and a clean title. Finished in green, it retains much of its original character while benefiting from extensive upgrades. The car features its original engine and transmission, along with numerous new components, including a modern wiring system, upgraded brakes, digital dashboard, and refreshed interior elements. These improvements enhance reliability while maintaining classic appeal. The Impala is one of the most iconic American cars of the 1960s, and this example offers a strong combination of originality and usability, making it an excellent investment and weekend cruiser. Number 8, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, $16,000, Lafayette, Indiana. Priced at $16,000 and located in Lafayette, Indiana, this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is a desirable muscle car with a 396 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. While the car runs, it has an issue where it stalls after idling for extended periods, indicating a potential mechanical or tuning problem. With 157,000 miles and a clean title, it has clearly been used and enjoyed over the years. The 1969 Camaro is one of the most sought-after muscle cars, and this example represents a project opportunity with strong upside potential for restoration or performance enhancement. Number 9, 1953 Plymouth Savoy Custom Convertible, $29,000, Paso Robles, California. This unique 1953 Plymouth Savoy, priced at $29,000 in Paso Robles, California, is a custom street rod built on a 1997 Dodge Dakota chassis. It combines vintage styling with modern performance. Powered by a 5.2-liter V8 engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it also features 4-wheel power disc brakes and a leather interior. This blend of old and new makes it far more practical and comfortable than a stock 1953 model. With only 42,000 miles, this one-of-a-kind build is ideal for buyers who want classic looks with modern drivability and reliability. Number 10, 1964 Pontiac Tempest Custom Race Car, $19,900, Mokena, Illinois. Located in Mokena, Illinois, and priced at $19,900, this 1964 Pontiac Tempest is a purpose-built drag racing machine with an impressive performance pedigree. It is powered by a highly modified 472 cubic inch V8 engine with high-performance internals, paired with a racing automatic transmission and specialized rear differential. The car is capable of running mid-10-second quarter-mile times at over 130 miles per hour. With extensive upgrades including racing brakes, nitrous system, and lightweight fiberglass components, this car is best suited for serious enthusiasts or racers rather than casual driving. Number 11, 1968 Buick GS California, $20,000, Boone, Iowa. This 1968 Buick GS California, listed at $20,000 in Boone, Iowa, is a classic muscle car with a strong reputation for torque and street performance. Equipped with a 350 engine and 4-barrel carburetor, along with an automatic transmission, it offers a balance of power and drivability. With 150,000 miles, it has seen use but retains its original engine. The California trim package adds a unique touch, making it slightly more distinctive than standard GS models. This car is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a solid and authentic muscle car experience. Number 12, 1956 Desoto Firedome Sportsman, $30,000, Castle Rock, Washington. Priced at $30,000 in Castle Rock, Washington, this 1956 Desoto Firedome Sportsman is an exceptional example of mid-1950s American luxury and performance. Powered by a 330 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine with only about 3,000 miles, it features dual carburetors, upgraded cooling, modern transmission, and disc brakes. The car also includes custom wheels and show-quality detailing. A trophy winner at car shows, this Desoto stands out for its rarity and condition. It represents a high-end collectible that combines originality with tasteful upgrades, making it a standout in any collection.